Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start our new chapter, Clothes We Wear. Before starting this, I want to discuss something. It was winter. Meera was watching a construction site from her balcony. She saw small children of some laborers working there, and few of them were not even properly covered in those cold days. She felt very bad. Taking permission from her parents, she went out and donated her old warm clothes to the kids. Students, have you ever donated something to poor and needy? Do this and see how it feels. Students' clothes are coming in the category of our basic need. As food, water, shelter is very important, clothes are also important. Why? Because it cover our body and protect us from heat, dust, rain, cold or insect bites also. In summers we like to wear light colored cotton clothes. Why? Because they do not absorb heat and keep us cool also. Opposite to that, in winters we want to wear woolen clothes to keep us warm and we prefer to wear dark colored. In rainy season, gum boots, raincoat are worn for protection from rain. We use umbrella also. Okay, students? Now, one thing comes in our mind, how those clothes are made. Students' clothes are made from various kind of fabrics. As shown in picture you can see. And we get fabric from fibers. From the field we are getting fiber and that are knitted and weaved into yarn. And yarn are going to form fabric only. And those fibers are also divided in two categories. Natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers means those are coming from nature side. Means natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. For example, cotton we obtain from cotton plant. Wool from sheep, silk from silkworm. Those are examples of natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made. Man make these type of fibers from chemicals. Okay, students, like nylon, rayon, polyester, terylene. Those are the examples of that. Your jackets, from that students it was made. That is also the example of synthetic fiber only. Your socks are also. Okay, those fibers are made by men by using chemicals only. Is it clear? In next video, you can see journey of cloth, fiber to fabric. Students, after watching these two videos, read these topics from your EVS book to understand it better manner. Okay? Thank you, students, and have a nice day.